You are scrolling right now, and rage bait is literally rewiring your amygdala, the survival part of your brain that runs on anger. Rage bait looks like outrage videos, controversial pins, and fake AI scenarios designed to spike your cortisol and keep you fuming. Every time you click, comment, or argue with a rage bait post, your brain releases stress hormones while the algorithm learns exactly which anger buttons work on you. Oxford 2025 word of the year is rage bait. And it is not just trending, it is hijacking your nervous system for engagement metrics. You think you are choosing the content, but rage bait is choosing your mood, your decisions, and your mental health. Follow if you want to stop being a rage bait target. Thank you.